Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best infant car seat available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Britax One4Life ClickTight. Install confidently, with ClickTight Installation. You'll know it's right in 3 easy steps: open, thread and buckle, click it closed. One4Life covers from a rear-facing infant car seat, to a forward-facing 5-point harness, to a high back belt positioning booster. Cool and dry fabric, improves airflow for a cooler ride, wicks away moisture to help keep your child dry. At number 5 we have Clek Liing infant car seat. The metal load leg provides anti-rotation and energy absorption features in a collision, reducing crash forces by more than 40%. The metal load leg folds up securely into the base when not in use. The recline is conveniently adjustable with the base installed, and offers up to 7 recline positions to ensure the perfect angle every time, regardless of how flat or sloped the vehicle seat is. At number 4 we have Fit 30 infant car seat. Easiest infant car seat to install. Simple, accurate and secure installation, every time, with 2 bubble level indicators and spring-loaded leveling foot for proper base angle and vehicle seat and premium latch connectors for easy attachment. At number 3 we have Cybex Autonom infant car seat. Infant car seat, your Autonom baby car seat provides superior comfort for your growing child. An 11-position adjustable headrest with a no-rethread harness offers protection that grows with your child. Safe Lock Base. The included Safe Lock Base offers an anti-rebound design that reduces car seat rebound movement by nearly 30%. At number 2 we have Perego infant car seat. SIP headrest easily adjusts to 6 different positions with no rethreading even with the infant in the seat, ensuring the best and safest fit. Energy-absorbing EPS foam throughout shell and head panel protects the infant's head and torso from impact forces. Load leg can be adjusted 10 different positions and has an energy management foot that absorbs energy by crumpling upon impact. At number 1 we have Baby Mesa infant car seat. The Mesa paired with the Vista or Cruise stroller delivers a performance travel system that is the ultimate in portability and safety. No need to sacrifice performance for convenience. With the addition of convenient adapters, the Mesa is also compatible with the Mina stroller.